shower. The area where we take the shower is ruled by planet Moon, but the commode area is ruled by Rahu. And in our present age, both these two are in the same bathroom. So that's why if this bathroom is in the north direction, then finance or money opportunities will always be a struggle.
Okay.
Even though north is the direction of water element, but because of the commode, because commode, wash basin, these are the things we are flushing.
Right.
That's why financial opportunities will become a reason. Like we are earning good, but still not able to have a proper good way. Or
Right.
we are working for a 1 year, then because of some reasons, one has to lose the job, then again getting the new job, waiting for 1 or 2 months. These kind of issues comes if if bathroom is in the north direction. If bathroom is in the east direction, then social connectivity will be less.
All right. Interesting. And of course, accordingly, the things would change, at least on a general overview. And if you would go in for a specific only for yourself, you would obviously get to know very
Yes.
specific for you what needs to be done. And Sampathas asked, okay, hang on. We're gonna just wait. Sampathas, I'm trying to figure out the question. Ratna says, I have a toilet in the southeast and southwest. I have Almira in northeast corner. I keep many mixed things in that. Is that okay? What is the effect?
So,
Would you be needing to see her map, which we haven't come to, or
so
is there a
Nilu,
general answer to this?
okay. So Nilu, to
Yes.
read this message, you have to pay attention.
Right.
What it
Right.
indicates? Less clarity in the message.
Ah, okay. Which is coming, I'm guessing, from the toilets in the southeast and
No,
southwest.
northeast, Almira in the northeast.
Oh, oh,
Because that
okay.
Almira in the northeast is blocking her views. She is not able to focus what I desire in life, or family members will stay indecisive or confused.
Okay.
So if anyone is having Almira, where we are keeping many types of things in the northeast direction, or if you are having the storeroom in the northeast direction, clarity of thoughts will be difficult.
All right. Interesting. And I hope that helps you, Ratna. Tejashi's asked, ma'am, what if some direction corners are cut off? Like in the making of the map, for example, in my home, west and north part seems cut if we keep the map of the home in a square.
Yes, normally when we are having the flats, these type of things comes. Some direction get missed, some direction becomes enhanced. So that is the personal, in personal consultation, I'm able to say, because whatever direction will miss, it will create some. It will be like a man standing with having some part missing.
Right, right. And that would need to be taken care of or covered up or
Yes,
compensated for.
compensate.
Right. Okay. And okay, there's a question that's come in, but with the first thing that you gave with the yellow colored bathroom mat, somebody's asked, it's again the Purple Heart lady, or person, I am not sure what the name is again, who's asked, can we paint the walls also yellow?
You can paint the wall yellow, but be careful, because if you are painting on the that tiles, in some time it will become dull, and
Right.
you need to take care of. Otherwise, if it is only cemented, then you can paint the yellow also.
Right. And Rohini is asked, this is which is the ideal place for the dustbin in the house?
Southwest.
Southwest. You know what? I'm not even wondering if Rohini heard the answer. My mind is immediately gone to where is my dustbin?
So So dustbin can be kept in between the south and southwest direction, that is known as south of southwest.
All right. Nice. Interesting.